Turning $100 into $1 may sound lofty, but with the right strategies, it's achievable in 2025. Here's how you can make it happen. Invest in learning first. Use the money to buy online courses or books about e-commerce and digital marketing. One of the fastest ways to grow your $100 is by starting an online business. Consider dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or freelancing. Use your $100 for ads or tools to kickstart your efforts. Investing your $100 can offer higher returns. Look into stocks or cryptocurrencies. You can use apps to invest in fractional shares or explore cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Create and sell digital products like ebooks or courses. Use your $100 for marketing. Consider print-on-demand services to sell custom products without inventory. Reinvest your earnings into passive income strategies like real estate crowdfunding or dividend stocks. Use platforms like Fundrise for real estate or reinvest dividends for long-term growth. Always reinvest profits to scale faster and expand your income streams. Stay focused and patient. Turning $100 into $1 takes time and persistence. With the right strategies, you can turn small capital into significant wealth over time.